Hello guys, I want to show our souvenir here in Legazpi, Makati, Manila, Philippines. And this is our souvenir here. Spoon, fork, chopstick. This is a nice bag. It's a nice bag. So beautiful. Yeah, and they like that. And then we got a chocolate mango, and I want to try the chocolate mango. And then this is from Philippines, dark chocolate. And then I wanted to try it. I need to bite. Wow, that's so sweet. And then you have a mango at the middle. That's so yummy. So nice. And then this is Tablia, also 100 pure cacao. This is good also. 100 pure cacao. You can put in the hot water, and in the glass cut a little bit and put in the hot water. This one. This is okay. Let me finish to eat my chocolate in my mouth. So good. Now, I also have a pin from Philippines also. It's nice. It looks so nice. It's a unique. And also this is one seat. Wow, it's a bamboo, made of bamboo, you know, made of bamboo. And what is this? Is slicing knife? Yeah, right? Slicing knife. This is have a slicing knife, fork, and this a cleaner and toothbrush. And what is this? Huh? Straw. Straw. Wow, we have a straw for drinking. And then chopstick and the spoon. Oh, it's so nice. That's pretty so nice. It looks so nice. And I do put like that. Yeah, like that. And then cover. It's a good souvenir, right? Yeah, it's a good souvenir. Made of bamboo. Made of bamboo. Ah, it's the same. It's the same. It's the same. And I got a t-shirt. We got our t-shirt. And then I show to you. I show it. It's a made of Philippines. This is a medium size, I think. Yeah, medium size for me. And this is an extra large for Frank also. And that's all. Thank you.